As a top executive in a maintenance organization, you need to control the costs and also ensure that the tooling is available at the right place, at the right time, for the right person. The current tooling management processes make this a challenge. With Emerald Tools, we deliver the statistics and the reports needed to make informed decisions on what tools to purchase, when to purchase them, and how to allocate them efficiently across your organization. For example, through a series of dashboards and detailed statistical reports, executives can easily monitor tooling inventory and optimize tooling allocation for maximum efficiency.